two, go.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel guys. This is bottle water. We are about to use it to treat our shoulder pain. If you're having a shoulder pain, this is a simple way to treat your shoulder pain at home with this exercise, with these workouts. Let's go.
You have to sit down. Then can switch. One, two, three, four, five. You change. One, two, three, four, five, six. If you're having pain, you have to hold it like this. Go. 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 Do it every morning. Go. 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 Then you change to the left hand. Go. 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 Go.
Hello, so guys, this is the simple shoulder workout that you can do at home to relieve your shoulder pain, shoulder dislocation. Please make sure you do like, subscribe, share it to your friends. Let's go.